Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you looking for a low maintenance and eco-friendly way to keep your lawn clear and fresh? Meet the American Lawn Mower 1204 to 14 Push Reel Lawn Mower. In today's video, we will take a closer look at the key features that make this mower a great choice for anyone aiming for a beautiful yard without the hassle of gas, cars or batteries. So let's get into the details. So let's start with the hot top this mower. Its blade design. The American Lawn Mower 1204 to 14 comes with a 4-blade reel system made from heat-treated alloy steel. These blades are crafted to retain sharpness longer, meaning you will get an effective cut with minimal maintenance. Unlike traditional rotary mower that tear at the grass, this reel mower provides a scissor-like cutting action. The rotating reel and stationary bed knife slice each blade of grass cleanly, giving a much healthier cut. This cutting method reduces the risk of tearing the grass, which helps prevent issues like browning, pest problem, and disease. One of the most important factors in any mower is its cutting width and height adjustment. The American Lawn Mower 1204 to 14 has a 14-inch cutting width, which is perfect for smaller lawn or tighter spaces that need precise maneuvering. This model also allows you to adjust the cutting height from 0.5 to 1.75 inches. With this range, you can tailor your cut to the specific needs of your grass type and seasonal growth patterns, whether you prefer a short cut or a slightly longer, fuller lawn. Adjusting the height is simple and quick. One feature that makes the American Lawn Mower 1204 to 14 so popular is its lightweight design, weighing only around 20 pounds. This mower is easy to push, maneuver, and store. Unlike heavier gas or electric mower, you will not have to struggle to get it out of the shed or maneuver it around corners and garden beds. The 8.5-inch composite wheels on this mower give it smooth and sturdy traction, even on uneven or slightly sloped ground. This makes it easy to guide the mower exactly where you want it, even if your lawn isn't perfectly flat. One of the standout aspects of a reel mower like this one is that it's 100% eco-friendly. It doesn't use gas, oil, or electricity, so there are no emissions, just you, your mower, and the fresh air. It's a great choice for anyone who wants greener, more sustainable way to maintain their yard. Another bonus is it's extremely quiet. With no engine noise, you can mow early in the morning or late in the evening without disturbing your neighbors or even your own peace. This quiet and peaceful mowing experience makes it an ideal choice for those who enjoy the tranquility of yard work. The American Lawn Mower 1204 to 14 is designed to be low maintenance with no gas or electrical components to worry about. Upkeep is minimal. The heat-treated alloy steel blades stay sharp longer, so you will only need to sharpen them occasionally and with simple cleaning after use. This mower can last you season after season without costly repairs or complicated tune-ups. With its 14-inch cutting width and lightweight design, this mower is ideal for small lawns, flower beds, and other tight spaces that might be challenging for larger mowers. The compact frame and precise blade system make it easy to move exactly where you want, giving you more control over your lawn care routine. In summary, the American Lawn Mower 1204 to 15 Push Reel Lawn Mower brings back a simpler, eco-friendly approach to lawn care with a reliable and durable design. With its scissor-like cutting mechanism, easy height adjustment, and lightweight build, it's a solid choice for anyone who values simplicity, sustainability, and quiet, peaceful mowing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.